Hi, Aramali.
Hi!
Ani mo nang pumapasok sa isip mo kapag ka sinabing Wakata?
Mukata, masarap.
Paano masabi?
Busog na busog. Napak sa bulsa. Wow na wow with ice cream. Hindi ka makakita ng mukata na may ice cream. Parang dito lang yata na may ice cream. And I love the seafood. It's so yummy. At saka gustong gusto ko talaga ang ice cream. My favorite mukata is ice cream. Why? Because there's different kind of variety. This see, not only different kind of flavor, but also different kind of color. Look at that. So beautiful. Green, blue, pink, white, and what do you call this? Lychee. This is my favorite. And also this one, mint. I love it so much. It's like after you eat, right? Then you want to become cool because this is hot, it is spicy. You want to eat this one. So yummy. Not only, but it's no good. Very yummy.
Hoy! Pinabulanga nyo! Tahiin nyo! Natutulog ako, nagising ako sa bulanga nyo! Buhay nyo at tulog, magpatulog kayo!
Good. Come. Go to Makata. Just buffet one and very cheaper. Especially sa mga katulong na kagaya ko. Punta na kayo dito. Afford na afford mo. Mas magsaya. Marami kayong kaibigan na kasama. Come.